it's a big endeavor for you to all of a sudden scale your firm up with this many employees. And I'm in the process of hiring like one-off person every once in a while, and it's like a big thing. So I want to get into how you're handling that and the pressure and the complications that come with that level of scaling. But something you mentioned at the beginning is with regards to involvement in cases. A person in your position, you're a partner. A lot of people will ask, "Hey, can I talk to Angelo? Can I talk to Angelo?" But you have a million different things to do. How did how do you deal with that? Give that work off to associates, but have the client touch. How do you deal with that issue of everyone to talk with you when there's only so much of you to go around?
Well, I try to make myself available as best I can, but you're right that this is not a 24/7 worker, that I have to get some rest and relaxation and family time as well. Um, Essentially, what we have tried to do is to demonstrate that we offer team-based legal services, and that the need that the client has will be addressed by members of the team. One of the things that is very attractive is that um, we have created task-based uh, calendars where a group of lawyers working for us, let's say a single client or a small group of clients, um, will open up their calendar and they will see the tasks that the group needs to perform. And there will be a delineation of responsibilities, but ultimately it's the group's responsibility to make sure that everyone's legal concerns are addressed. And where that comes in, and I think it's a differentiating factor, is I had my own boutique practice before, and usually if I wanted to take a vacation, it was rush, rush, rush,
Yeah.
try to get as much done before I go on vacation, but then expect when I come back from the vacation, a deluge of backlog requests for answers to questions, legal services, and with a test-based team approach to the assignment of responsibilities, that is reduced. So you can really have a quality of life vacation and not have to worry that you're going to be flooded for the next 2 to 3 weeks upon your return with digging out from under backlog issues. And so in terms of how we deal with things, we have subject matter experts on particular issues. We have teams of lawyers that focus on, let's say, the new perm rule that requires filing in a different format under the flag system, where labor certifications are filed under a different set of questions that are posed. They're linked to the prevailing wage request. All of that is something that we evolve together collectively. And I try to bring to bear whatever knowledge or experience I have and insights, but so too do other lawyers. And what I'm finding is that there is a type of lawyer that is very interested in capitalizing upon technology and reducing the tedium of law practice, so that what can be done is to respond to the individuals and to focus upon the employee experience, and imagine that this is an employee who's making a profound undertaking. They're risking leaving their home country and coming to the United States, and they may have a spouse and they may have children who need to be educated. And all of those things are stressful. And we know with the visa backlog that there can be year upon year of delay in forward action on getting green card, for example, and the need to do multiple extensions of employment authorization for people. All of this can be a tremendous stress. So to the degree you can have lawyers more accessible because the tedium element is reduced, that's why we think we can offer something new and different.